Good morning. So, join us today in Madrid, where we are here at Atlético Madrid Football Stadium, where ASSA ABLOY have had the opportunity to be specified on this glorious project. Come with me and find out more. Good afternoon, Luis.
Good afternoon, Dikes. How are you?
Nice to see you again.
Thank you.
Good. We're here about the Atlético Madrid project. And just to start with, I want to understand the scope of the construction project and a bit of a background on the Atlético Madrid Football Club.
Of course. So the Metropolitano Stadium is home of the Atlético Madrid football team. Founded in 1903, Atlético are one of the most high-profile teams in the Spanish league. Legends even. Although the stadium originally opened in September 1994, owned by the Community of Madrid, it closed in 2004 and then in 2030 passed into the possession of Atlético de Madrid. The stadium then underwent renovation. Design for the project was by the prestigious Spanish architect firm of Cruz y Ortiz Arquitectos. The new facility reopened to the public in September 2017.
And what was the purpose of the project? What did they want to achieve?
The original intention of the project was to create a multifunctional stadium, one that would not only be for prestigious football matches, but also serve as a venue for concert, international events, various meetings and conferences. Given this diverse range of uses, a specialized locking system was required to ensure the security and the accessibility of the facility. The locking plan was meticulously designed to adapt to the functional needs of each scenario, accommodating different entry and access requirements for athletics, performances, and event attendance, for example. This flexible approach ensures the stadium versatility and supports its role as a dynamic community hub.
Our experts are both knowledgeable and deeply committed to personalizing the support they give every customer. We understand each project is unique, so our specialists collaborate closely with you to ensure every specification need is met. Whether you're working on a large commercial project or a more specialized venture, our team will guide you every step of the way. Our team of specification writers and BIM managers are experts in current building standards and local regulations. From initial consultation to final implementation, they provide tailored solutions that align perfectly with your vision. It's not just about meeting specifications, it's about exceeding expectations. That's what our people do best.
With this project, specifying this project, how did Opening Studio play a pivotal role in specifying this project?
Good question. The use of Open Studio was very important. It allowed us to quickly and efficiently adapt solutions to the changes that were made between design stage and actual materials delivery.
So there were some key advantages that Opening Studio brought to the project in terms of speed and efficiency.
It being able to efficiently manage functionalities, solutions and product adaptation within the required timeframes.
Could you tell me what the role was with the specifier? How did they support the project with the architect?
ASSA ABLOY Access Engineering is the name of our department. Managers advise technicians at all times, proposing creative and real solutions which comply with national standards and achieve the properties desired by architects.
And what challenges would you say the specifier faced?
During construction, there were so many changes which had to be solved in record time to meet all kinds of requirements.
So which TESA products were chosen and specified on this project, and why were they chosen?
The main products were those related to evacuation routes and with fire-resistant metal doors such as TESA Top Panic devices and ASSA ABLOY DC door closers, TESA CF fire brake locks and TESA TX80 cylinders. All of them were chosen for their safety and proven quality. Thanks to the huge variety of solutions that we offer at ASSA ABLOY, we were able to meet all requirements put forward by the security team, architects and property owners for both mechanical fittings and the integration of electric fittings.
Can you tell me about the key impact of using the TESA products for this stadium and what were the results of it?
To be honest, today, despite the intensity of use of the stadium, there have been no problems with the hardware. We received compliments about the hardware's quality and proper functioning.
And finally, just to finish off, what would you say are the lessons and takeaways from this for the TESA team here?
The most important thing is to work side by side with the architects, with a commitment to providing security and solutions, actively collaborating with their commercial network and clients, of course. That's why Open Studio is the best tool for working on specifications, both in 2D projects and even more so with BIM projects. As Cholo Simeone, the Atlético coach, says in Spanish, si se cree y se trabaja, se puede. In English, if you believe and you work, you can.
Together, we can open doors to a greener world.